Hey everyone, welcome back to Levels of Styles with Sandra. Today I am sharing with you my bedroom refresh. I will be taking down and removing the beautiful mauve blush that I have going on in my bedroom in burgundy, and I will be changing out my color and bringing in some different decor pieces. And if this seems like something that you are interested in seeing, please continue to watch. And if you are not yet subscribed, why not subscribe? Here, y'all, I do decorating, tablescapes, shopping hauls, walkthroughs, and much more. So, like I said, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. And if you are a loyal family member, you know I appreciate your continued support. And I want to give a big shout out to all my new subscribers. You all have been coming in and chiming in on my videos, giving me encouragement and motivation to continue doing what I'm doing. So with that being said, I appreciate the support from my new subscribers, and we're going to keep on rocking this out. So I'm not going to talk too much. Now the music to play, but just know that I appreciate each and every one of you. And if you have not yet thumbs up this video, thumbs it up, share this video, get down in the comments and let's talk about this video, and even let's make some suggestions on what you like to see from my channel. If you are a loyal and new subscriber, you know I do all kinds of things, but I don't share everything. So if you would like to see more from me, my channel, let me know. As I said, please continue watching my bedroom refresh. Thank you so much. Okay guys, here I'm just letting you know that I purchased these velvet curtains from Amazon, and they were $23 for a 2-pack. They are very soft and beautiful, and if I can find the link, I will place it down below. coming to the decorating part of this video, and real quick I want to share with you the items that I will be using. I have 2 videos that I'm trying to record at this time, and my storage is getting kind of full, so I may not be able to show you step by step of me decorating. That's why I already have my sheets on my bed. As I always mention, I use feather-filled pillows, so I will be using them on my bed. I also will be using this beautiful blue round pillow. I believe I picked this up at, yes, I picked this up at Ross a couple years ago. And I will be using what they're called. But it's a little blanket, a light blanket. I will be using this for my poplar blue. I'm going to be incorporating mercury glass pieces. So these I picked up at Dollar Tree. Also will be using my mirror tray. It's silver and gold. I picked this up at Goodwill. I'm going to incorporate my winter picks. I picked these up at Joann Fabric. It was buy 3 get 1 free. Also, I will be incorporating my snowy picks. I have some more in here. Also, my lamb's ears, as well as my silver pine cones. We'll be using my blue candlestick. I picked these up at Goodwill. And I am going to incorporate these beautiful poinsettia at 90% off at Hobby Lobby. And also these silver picks, I picked these up at Goodwill. And oh yeah, also, like I said, my mercury glass pieces. This was at Dollar General, so I paid, I think, $1.20 for this. This mercury glass bowl, Goodwill. Also, these 2 mercury glass candlestick holders, Goodwill. And yeah, one more thing. And I also will be using blue pillows. These are 18 by 18. The lumbar. I got these pillow covers at Temu. I did a haul on these from Amazon. And these are 18 by 18. And then I also have these 2 of these pillow covers and that I picked up at Ross. So yeah. And also I might incorporate, I'm not sure if I'm going to do the darker blue or this lighter blue. And like I said, these pillow covers came from Temu. And then I possibly will add this just to bring in all the blues in the silk Amazon. So stay tuned. Please keep on watching. And if you have not yet subscribed, please hit that like button, the share button, and subscribe. And hit your notification bell so you can be notified each and every time that I upload. Let's get back into this video. we have brought you in for a closer look. I just wanted to briefly mention that everything that I have displayed to you all in my refresh are items that I've already had. The only item is new is that beautiful throw blanket that I purchased at Walmart maybe about 2 weeks ago, and it was on sale for $9. And I do have another one. It's a lighter brown, and I was at Dollar General and I purchased 2 black ones, and I have mentioned that I wanted a brown one, so I do have that. And everything else, guys, I have purchased from Hobby Lobby on clearance, the Goodwill 50% off, other different places marked down. So even my curtains, they were on sale for $23 at Amazon. So you can decorate your home, your style, your way on a budget. So always remember that. And I just want to say thank you so much for stopping by. Please be blessed and be a blessing to someone else.